other side of the sun. I love Chinatown.
Do you? Chris loves Chinatown. Which is where we are.
I don't know how to say that.
We were in the Pearl District for lunch
Have a
and
cookie.
looking around. And now we're in Chinatown. And Chris just picked up a random fortune cookie. Look, there's little random palm trees. That's different.
We're gonna go buy me some shoes.
He doesn't have any. Oh look, there's a bee. Chris doesn't like bees.
Yeah, I think you need some.
Alright. Check in later. Bye.